Good morning friends, welcome to my channel Banking Aspirants. Today we'll discuss alphanumeric series. Okay. In this chapter we are getting 5 questions. 5 marks. Okay. For this we need to know some techniques regarding this alphanumeric series. Okay. In this section we have 3 types of series. Okay. First one is alphabets. Second one is numbers. Third one is miscellaneous. Okay. Coming to alphabets. We have 26 alphabets. Okay. A to Z. Here we have to learn position values of A to Z. Okay. Write the letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Okay. These are the letters. And I am writing from here in backward direction. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. So we need to learn both forward and backward direction positional values. Okay. Here I am giving numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. Okay. To remember position values of alphabets, we have first technique as EJOT. Okay. Here E position value is 5. J position value is 10. O position value is 15 and T position value is 20 and Y position value is 25. Okay. These all are multiples of 5. Okay. By this we can easily find the different alphabets position value. Here take the O. What is the position value of O? That is 15. Okay. What is the position value of N? That is before to O. Okay. Here we know that position value of O is 15 and before number is always 14. Okay. Next, what is the position value of X? X is before letter of Y. Okay. Here we know that Y position value is 25. So, we can say easily X position value is 24. Okay. And U. U is the next value of T. Here we know that T position value is 20 and U position value is 21. Okay, easily we can find the position values by using this simple trick, EJOT. Next one is, I am writing some words to remember this both forward and backward alphabet position values. Okay. First one is combination of AZ. Okay. AZ combination. Arbaz Khan. Okay. He is a famous actor in Hindi and Telugu. Okay. Next one is, we know that from childhood, B for boy. B-boy. C and X. Combination of CX. This is Cracks. Cracks is a brand for snacks that are made up of corns. Okay. Dew. D-E-W. Dew. Mountain dew. Okay. EV. Evening. Okay. And F-U. Fuse is a famous chocolate brand. Okay. G for goat. This is also we know from childhood. Okay. GT. H for hands. H and S. Okay. IR, irregular or irritate anything. Okay. I and R. JQ, Jacqueline. Okay. KP. Here in cricket team 11 members are there. Kings 11 and Punjab. Okay. This is the team Kings 11 Punjab. L for Leo. L O. Last one M for moon. M and N. These are the words to remember the positional values of alphabets in both forward and backward direction. Okay. By using this we can solve alphanumeric series. Okay. We are getting alphanumeric series 5 questions in exam and we can easily get 5 marks by using this simple tricks. Okay. Next coming to next series is a number series. In this we should remember even, odd numbers. Okay. And prime numbers, composite numbers, okay, palindrome numbers. Okay, we should remember these 3 types of numbers. By using this we can easily clear the number series. Okay, here there is no problem in numbers. We know combination of numbers is 0 to 9. Next coming to miscellaneous series. Third one. In this miscellaneous series is in combination of letters, numbers and symbols. Okay. Letters, numbers and symbols. Okay. Letters in the sense A to Z alphabets. Numbers in the sense these 3 types of numbers. Symbols are mathematical operations, plus, division, multiplication and symbols, dollar, it. Different symbols are there. These are the coming to symbol sections. Okay. Let's take the example. Which one is the third to the left of 14th to the right end? Okay. Here which one is the third to the left of 14th to the right? Okay, right end. Here we have third, right? Third direction is left. Okay, third left. Next one is 14th right. 14th right. When we have opposite directions, that is left and right, we need to add left and right and take the last value in the question. Last direction in the question. Last direction is right. 14 plus 3, 17 right. We need to take the value of 17th right in the series is the correct answer. If we have same direction left, we need to subtract. Okay. When we have directions are in opposite, that is left and right, we need to add and take the direction in the end of the question. We have right in the end of the question. So I am taking right. If we have left, we should take left. Okay. When we have same direction, we should subtract. Okay. Opposite direction we should add, same direction we should subtract. Okay. This is today's session. In next session we'll see the questions of alphanumeric series. Okay. These are the basic points we should remember from the alphanumeric series. Okay. These are most important. By this only we can easily answer the questions in the exam. Okay. And now coming to numbers, we should learn even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers, palindrome. Okay, we should learn the position values of alphabets in both forward and backward direction, and isoty. Don't forget this. Okay, these are the basics of alphanumeric series. In upcoming section, we'll discuss different types of questions of alphanumeric series. Okay.